Hey guys, we got a new doll in yesterday, but I went ahead and I let my mom open the doll since she is now starting to like these dolls. So it's not really a unboxing since it's already been opened, but I at least get to show you guys who the new doll is. So we have another mini Mia, but this one is different, and I'll show you why. So this is a medium-toned Mia doll, well, mini Mia, and you can only get the medium dolls from Dolly and Me. She's on Facebook and she has a website, and I'll link that information in the description. But this is why this girl is different. She has eyelashes. So she is I don't know if she's the first one with eyelashes, but supposedly she's a mistake. I don't know what that means. I guess she wasn't supposed to be ordered either in this hair color or eye color, but they had called her a mini Mia mistake. She has this beautiful bright red hair, which I fell in love with, but the eyes are what did it for me. I think out of all my Mias, she is the only one with this color eyes. So she was special for me. So let's zoom out a little. Okay, I guess we can't zoom out anymore. Stupid phone. Okay, anyway, so there she is. She is 9 inches tall. Adorable, smells like vanilla just like the regular Mias. So this is our third mini Mia. So we have all 3 shades. We have the light, the medium, and the dark. So I'll go ahead and put a picture of all of them together, and that should be it for this unboxing. I don't think I have any more dolls coming. I don't know. But this will probably be the end of this unboxing, because I'm just going to do the 3 mini Mias in this one. So that's it. I hope you guys like her. I love her and those eyelashes and the eye color. She's just beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and end for now. I'll follow it up with some pictures. You guys stay safe, keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's that time again. We have one package to open today, but this is gonna be like a 3 or 4 part video because I'm waiting for dolls to come. I'm waiting for outfits to come. So I kind of peeked at this to see which outfit this was. This is the first outfit that I ordered from this company. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So there's our dress. Let's get it out. This is from the Little Mouse. They're on Facebook. I think that's it. I don't know. Let me see what else. So yeah, they're just on Facebook. Here's their phone number. We got a Tweety Bird sticker. Okay, so here is the dress. Here is the bow. And we also have a crown option. So this is the first piece. I'm gonna go ahead and get this specific doll set up, and you guys will have to wait until the end to see who she is. and what everything looks like put together. So we will continue this unboxing. Again, we're waiting for some dolls and some more outfits, and then all of this will be one complete unboxing. So keep watching, take care, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, look, we have packages to open up. These just came today, Friday the 31st of May. Let's go ahead and open this one first. All in lovely shades of pink. I like the bag. Hello, gorgeous. I have arrived. Really cute. Now, this is my first piece of clothing from this shop. And done with that. And there we go. Okay. Looks very good. Okay, so this I'm guessing is for Minnie. So let's just show you the pieces. So this is a princess themed dress from Little Bougie Dolls on Facebook and Instagram, I think. Here's the fabulous bow. Here are the little socks. So this is for Mini Mia. And this is for regular Mia. So another dress, socks, and a bow. So as of right now, we are only going to be using the mini for one of these girls. Here we have, I think it's 4 dolls in these 2 bags. 2 of them, let's see. One has an outfit on. One I made an outfit for. One is waiting for an outfit from another shop. So the 4th one, wow, will be wearing this outfit. That was a lot. Anywho, and we have this wonderful thank you card. I should include these, but I really don't think people appreciate them, honestly. But I might include them with some of my stuff. Really cute and thoughtful. So, that was the clothes. Let's put this over here for Little Miss. We'll go with the first doll that I ordered. This was the first one that I ordered. This was a, what do you call that? Impulse purchase. Because she was so cute. I'm like, no, I don't need her, I don't need her, I don't need her. But her outfit is just too darn adorable, you guys. So, I had to get her. Where are you hiding, little girl? Here, I got some more to cut. There we go. There's our cutie. Let's get her out the bag. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. OMG, you guys. This is Snow White, and I absolutely love her. And her dark hair, I'm so glad I got her. She is absolutely adorable. Yeah. Great impulse purchase. Absolutely adorable. Dolly and me did a great job with this one. And the outfit is what got me. It was just so perfect for her. So, I loved it. So that's our first girl, the first princess doll that I ordered. And here are the others. So if you haven't figured it out yet, this is going to be a princess unboxing in case you haven't figured it out yet. So yeah. Who do we have first? Haha. Another impulse last minute purchase. And I'm so glad I got her because I didn't realize her eye color until after I purchased her. So, look. OMG, look at you. Massive static, but that's okay. She's gorge. Guys, here is, oh my gosh, she smells so good. Little Miss Rapunzel in all of her glorious hair. Look at her green eyes, you guys. She is our first mini Mia with green eyes. Ivy, the full-size Mia, was our first green eyes in the full size. So this is our first mini with green eyes. So yay. So this cutie is going to be rocking this outfit. So you guys have to wait until the end of the video to see what everyone looks like. Let's see who else we have here. Actually, I mean, it doesn't really make a difference. I try to put which dolls' names on the bags, but I guess it doesn't make a difference if these are all minis. So next we have, oh, double MG. So beautiful. Now this girl, we're waiting for her outfit to come. And you guys smell so good. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is our Tiana. Beautiful, beautiful black hair. Longer than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like shoulder length, mid back at least, but this is like down past her butt. And she smells so heavenly. My mom is gonna love coming home to you guys. Yes, even though she has her own mini Mia, she still comes and sniffs my dolls, you guys. It's ridiculous, but cute. And let's see who's last. Oh yeah, the girl that I was thinking about getting, but I really wasn't sure. We got her anyway, so. Wow, this hair is gorge. I'm glad we got you. The hair is better than I thought it was. And this is our beautiful Jasmine, you guys. The hair is fabulous. So I just finished making her outfit. So we will get her dressed. We will get Rapunzel dressed. And Tiana is waiting for her outfit. So everyone will be completely dressed and set up at the end of the video. Oh yeah, in case you guys didn't notice, this cutie, zoom in, has the false lashes. These three have the drawn on or painted on lashes. So there's Snow White, Rapunzel, and Tiana. So only Jasmine has the false lashes that I got out of the ones that were available. I think there were like 12 of them available, and some of the other ones had the false lashes, but these are the only ones that I got. So that is it for our princess unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting some people dressed. Oh, that's a little bit too close. Zoom out. Oh, you're such an annoying phone. No, you won't zoom out. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and end for now. I don't think I'm waiting for any more dolls. I'm just waiting for clothes. And then we can go ahead and wrap this unboxing up with our pictures and video. And that's going to be it, you guys. Hope you guys like the video. You like the dolls. Keep watching. Stay safe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, we have some packages to open up. And Lola is having a snack. You silly girl. Okay, let's go ahead and get this stuff open. And our unboxing is coming to an end. I'm waiting for 2 more things to come in, and this video will be over. Okay. Nothing confidential. No. Okay, cool. So, this is our outfit for the mini Tiana, mini Mia. So this is another adorable outfit from the Little Mouse on Facebook. So this is the crop top. Here are the matching pants. And of course, a princess needs a crown. So there's her look. And this is a doll that I was not planning on purchasing, but here she is. So that's her outfit. There she is. She has gorgeous bangs, blue eyes. We're gonna go ahead and get her dress. I'm not sure if you guys recognize her or not, but I will tell you who she is once she's dressed. So that is it for today's unboxing. We are still waiting on an outfit and a doll. Another doll that I wasn't planning on getting, but we got her anyway. So one more doll, one more outfit, and then you guys get to see everybody together. So that's it. Keep watching, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we have a package to open up. It's been here for a few days, but with my birthday and everything, I've been busy, and Lola's been sick, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Look, you guys, it is, well, she could be lots of people. She could be mini Gabby, or she can be mini Moana. So she's here finally. She's our last princess. I'm gonna go ahead and get her dressed, and then you guys can finally see all the princesses together. Long wait for this, but it's complete now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her dressed, and then you guys get to see everybody. So be back.